I see it, I want it, I like it, I got it. I got this last year, by the way. It looks so bad. Hi honeys, it's your Queen Bee. So yeah, this is a tutorial on how to look like this. This is a look. This mask is so wonky. I should have probably made one myself, but it's okay because you can do the makeup and then make your own mask and make your own necklace just like I did. But yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was like easy and fast and like just something that you guys like. This is the last Halloween video I'm gonna make this year. Sad, I know, but yeah. Also to just like kind of clear up some things that happened last week. My dad did pass away, and then today my guinea pig died. So I've been having like the worst month. So this video is super quick because I have no energy. I feel sick and everything else. So enjoy me struggling. So for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and just use one palette. This is the Meet Matte Timothy from The Balm, and we're just gonna use a couple shades. Now, I don't really like the black. As you can see, it didn't really like work the best, but that's okay. So we're just gonna take and kind of go over everywhere with this with this matte rosy, this like gray shade at the top, and we're just gonna go everywhere basically. And then you're going to go with the black down here and just kind of go right here. And then you're going to want to take this brown one right here in the middle and just kind of go right over here. I want to take this light shade up here and just kind of go over where it's a little bit dark. I'm not perfect at makeup. I mess up a lot, so I'm just going to try to like fix this real quick. So now I'm just going to try to clean this up a little bit with some concealer. Just kind of like go right here and just kind of clean it up like this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and just kind of clean around the edges, and then I'll come back with the eyeliner. So for the eyeliner, we're just doing a simple wing. She normally does big ones. I think that's kind of what she did on this one, but I don't know. So then I also added some white highlighter to the center. So I'm just taking this Physicians Formula butter one and just getting a brush and just doing like a lot right here. Okay, so then next I'm gonna go ahead. I am going to do fake eyelashes and then do a little bit of mascara on the bottom. But before I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and film me doing the blush and highlighter just so that that's done and out of the way. I would clean this up a little bit more. I might do that off camera. But for the blush, I'm just using this Baisley Beauty, and it is a, I think it's a like jelly blush. Yeah, jelly blush. So she had quite a bit of blush on, but we're not going to do a whole lot. And then we're just going to take the same highlighter that we did in the center, and we're just going to do a little bit on right here, and then on the bridge of our nose, tip of our nose. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the lipstick. So I am doing the Clinique one, and this is in number 13 Pinoy Pop. I think that's what it's called. So we're just going to go ahead and just put this on. And I'm going to add this glitter. It is from Revel London. It is the Stay Glossy. And we're just going to go ahead and cover all of it. And then the face makeup is pretty much all done. But this is all that you need to do for the look. And then obviously I have my hair up in a ponytail. And then you can make the mask. You can make it out of paper plate. You can do whatever. But this is it. So I actually got this mask on Romwe. It's a little bit wonky. Like this part right here. But I'm going to be like this so you won't really be able to tell. And then the lashes, like, yeah. So that's it. And then plus I made this necklace. It's just like some beads I got from Walmart. And that's pretty much all this costume is. It's just really simple. I'll probably be like this. So yeah, that's literally what my picture's gonna be, just like this. And then of course I have the same kind of like tights that she has. So I mean, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like. If you like me, make sure to subscribe. If you like me even more, make sure to check the description below and check out all my social media links. And comment down below, would you be Ariana Grande for Halloween? Would you try this for like a party or something? I don't know. This is like kind of a bad execution, but it's something really easy and just simple to do. Probably really last minute. And yeah. So with all that being said, thanks for stopping by. Love you.